I guess this is my attempt at being more personal in my videos, so I'm going to tell you a little bit about myself. My name is Johnny Kyunghwo. It's pronounced Kyunghwo, it's spelt Kyunghwo, but it's pronounced Kyunghwo. However, a lot of you might know me as the fermentation guy, the doenjang guy, the makgeolli guy, or the soy sauce guy. My father is British and my mother is Korean, but I was born here in London, and I lived my life kind of jumping between England and Korea. While I was in Korea, I did go to international schools, and that's where I graduated high school. And then after that, I moved to Australia for a year and I worked as a barista. After living in Australia for a year, I moved back to Korea, where I probably had a little bit too much fun before coming back to England to do university. As for all the cooking stuff, that started in high school when both my parents were working, and me and my sister sort of had to look after ourselves, so we started having to cook for ourselves a lot. As for the fermenting, that started when I moved back to England and I was really missing good kimchi, so I just started making it by myself all the time. And then for the video stuff, that started in lockdown 2020 when I was just so bored and I was just like, fuck it, let's make a video. And yeah, here we are now, making food videos every day, trying to make this thing work. So that's some background information about me. If you've got any more questions, put them down in the comments and I'll try my best to answer them. Also, look at this bagel I made.